Most commercial water systems are being billed for more than just water. In many cases, utility meters are also registering air moving through the system, not just water flow.
Most people don't realize there's an acceptable margin of over-registration built into flow measurement, and that margin can increase under real-world conditions.
Turbulence, pressure fluctuations, and entrained air all impact how accurately your water is measured.
That's where water flow innovation comes in with our flow conditioning device, the FCD. The FCD installs directly into your system to change the water flow turbulent state to a laminar flow state. This will reduce the air measured by the meter and improve meter accuracy, and reduce gallons measured. In standard turbulent flow environments, even small inefficiencies add up quickly.
Our clients are seeing measurable reductions in water and sewer costs, often up to 30% depending on system conditions. You will find our FCD located almost anywhere water is used: residential, multifamily, hotels, industrial, hospitals, schools, food and beverage manufacturing, car washes, universities, and many more.
Here's the key. Most meters measure total volumetric flow. They don't distinguish between water and air. That leads to inconsistent readings, inefficient performance, and unnecessary costs. The FCD is engineered to correct these conditions and help your system operate closer to its intended design.
We are here at the manufacturer in Miami, Florida, and we have our demo set up.
What you're seeing right now is a demonstration of how water flows through typical industrial and residential piping configurations. Water normally will flow in a turbulent flow. You can see the turbulence in the flow here, along with carrying in trapped air bubbles. These air bubbles are metered the same as water. The meter cannot determine the difference between air and water and measures all volume the same. The impact of turbulent flow makes your meter over-register. Now here I'm going to change the flow to the FCD and watch how the flow acclimates from turbulent to laminar flow. The compression zone created by the FCD in a laminar flow will continue upflow through the meter, reducing the meter registering less gallons for the same amount of water delivered. Now when we turn the flow back to the line without the FCD and water flow, it assumes its previous turbulent flow with the non-displaced air bubbles that were displaced in the water are now visible again.
The flow conditioning device is custom engineered and designed for each individual site application. Installation is straightforward, and our team can support everything from site survey to installation, or we can coordinate with your contractor for what is needed.
Manufactured and sourced here in the States, we can control the high quality levels needed to stand behind the lifetime warranty. Every unit is built from high quality stainless steel and designed for long-term performance. Manufactured from 316L stainless steel with optional grade 5 titanium construction for high purity environments like pharmaceutical and food grade facilities. All devices are manufactured to the ANSI, NSF, CAN61, KIWA, GMP, SQF, and IPMO standards. Now let's talk about what matters most, your bottom line. By improving flow conditions, the FCD helps eliminate unnecessary costs and recover lost revenue. Stop paying for inefficiencies and start conditioning your flow. Visit our website and see for yourself.
This is presented by Water Flow Innovations, powered by Aquaflow Technologies.